Good morning. How are we all? Hello. Hello, sir. And then basically, where is your truck? It's fucked. That's not what I wanted on video, but okay. Hello, Mr. Organizer.
Hey mate.
What are you doing?
Oh, we're checking out his aero poo.
Hello.
Hello sir.
How you doing?
Good.
Mate, it's a cold drive. Was it?
What do you got on the back here?
What's going on?
The toolkit.
What happened?
You're speaking of a true mini trucker right now.
I know.
There's toolkits everywhere you go.
I know.
Hello, Mr. Chan.
Hey bro.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming down.
I left you by the door, left you begging me to say I want nothing more.
Yeah.
Don't film me.
Why not?
From aggressive to pathetic, now apologetic is my description. If it's you,
Man, I'm gonna get pneumonia out here. What are you doing to me?
I'm leaving. Find me bleeding after that.
Morning. Morning mate.
Hello Jim.
How are you?
Good yourself.
Good.
It's okay when I say I'm leaving.
You're a bit cold. You got your hoodie on and everything there?
Yeah, man, it's fucking unfortunately someone decided to turn the rain on.
Please constrict my breathing. Guess it's me then, laying here so self-defeated. I'm leaving. Find me bleeding at the thought of you. Keep dreaming, keep pretending it's okay when I say I'm leaving. Find me bleeding at the thought of you. If it's you, not me then, why do I feel so self-defeated? I lost my only contact with the outside of your room. Collect the specks of nothing that I had left for you. I'd say anything I could if only it would make you stay. Disinterest is disinteresting. I fail with words, you burden me. No, not scared, but sad to say the least. My God fell down with walls created way. I felt your love, your stupid love that you had wasted all on me. Taste the bitterness of me.
What happened, mate? Your glove. Glove bag. Yep. Oh no. He's on it. He's on it. That's what happens when you blow a bag. Everyone stops in the middle of the road to help you out.
Me or comforts me. I'm not
Mini truckers on it.
because I'm lost and unfound, but I'm alone in the long run again. Why won't you fall for me? I'm
Where'd it blow?
like you asked
It's blown there. Good fun. Good times.
your stupid love that you had wasted all on me. Taste the bitterness of me. I hope you solve, I hope you will. Distant like you asked, hang over my head. My ribs bruised, not broken from holding it all in. Distant like you asked, hang over my head. My ribs bruised, not broken from holding
everyone coming out for an awesome day even though it rained. This year we tried to do something a little bit different, get everyone else to film on the cruise themselves and put together this video. So hope you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe, keep trucking.